Cut to medium potatoes, placed them in a vessel, added enough water, and boiled them until soft. Once done, I removed the skin and mashed them well. I kept it aside for later. Now, let's prepare the stuffing. I heated a little oil in a pan and added some mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Once they started to crackle, I added one finely chopped onion and sautéed it until it turned soft. Then I added some chopped ginger and garlic and fried it all together until it turned golden brown. Time to spice things up. I added 1 spoon red chili powder, 1 spoon turmeric, 1 spoon dhania powder, and 1 spoon chaat masala, a perfect mix for that desi twist. Then I added about 2 spoons of salt and gave it a good mix. Now I added the mashed potatoes into the pan and mixed everything thoroughly until the flavors combined well. The filling is now ready. Next, I took 4 slices of bread, spread some tomato ketchup on one side of the slices. Then I spread the spicy potato mixture on the other slices. Closed each sandwich by pressing the 2 slices together. To toast, I heated a pan, added a little butter, and placed the sandwiches on it. To get that golden, crispy texture, I spread some more butter on top and toasted both sides evenly. Once they turned crisp and golden brown, I removed them from the pan and placed them on a plate. That's it. Your hot and crispy bread potato sandwich is ready to serve. Perfect with green chutney or a cup of hot tea. Delicious and crispy bread pakoda recipe. First, I took slices of bread and cut them into small pieces, then added them to a mixing bowl. Next, I chopped 1 onion and added that too. I also added finely chopped and squeezed garlic and ginger. Followed by some freshly chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves. I added 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste. Mix everything well and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, I heated oil in a pan. Once the oil was hot, I shaped the bread mixture into small round balls and carefully dropped them into the oil. Fry until they turn a nice deep golden red or maroon color. Take them out and place them on a plate. And that's it. Our crispy, spicy, and tasty bread pakodas are ready to serve. First, take 1 spoon of butter in a bowl. Add 1 spoon chopped ginger and garlic, 1 spoon chili flakes, and some fresh coriander leaves. Add a little salt and mix everything well. Now, Take a bread slice and spread this mixture evenly. Place a generous amount of cheese on top. Cover it with another bread slice. Again, spread the same mixture on this second slice. Place one more slice of bread on top. So we have 3 layers in total. Now heat a pan on low flame. Place the sandwich on the pan and toast both sides until golden and crispy. Once done, remove it from the pan and cut it into 2 halves. That's it. Our crispy, spicy, cheesy sandwich is ready to enjoy. First, I heat a pan and add a little oil. You can use butter too if you like. Then, I toast the bread slices on both sides on a low flame. I'm using 3 slices in total. I toasted the first 2 slices, took them out, and toasted the third one separately. Once all the slices are golden and crispy, I place them on a plate. Now comes the yummy part, the bananas. I take a ripe banana, cut it into round pieces, and place the slices over 2 of the toasted breads. Make sure to cover the surface well so you get banana in every bite. Then, I stack the 2 banana top slices one over the other, and finally place the plain toasted slice on top, like a sandwich tower with 3 layers. Now I gently place this stack back onto the pan. On a low flame, I slowly pour a little milk over the top slice. Not too much. Just enough to moisten it a bit and bring all the layers together. After a minute or so, when it's warm and slightly soft, I take it off the pan and transfer it to a serving plate. Now for the final touch, I drizzle some liquid jaggery on top. You can use honey instead if you prefer. And that's it. Our bread banana sandwich is ready, warm, sweet, soft, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for a quick breakfast or an evening snack. Try it once, and I promise you'll love it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.